guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here with
Daphne
and
Chloe,
and today we're going to be doing
some association
game. Wow!
That's so nice. Oh my god, I feel so proud.
So inside this box, there are papers that has written words on them.
All we have to do is sing a song that corresponds with the words.
Let's get started.
Let's go. Yes. Okay, the first word is
Dalawa tayo na.
love.
Love.
Okay.
Ikaw na.
Okay.
I can't
Love.
Oh, that was supposed to.
Na.
I was supposed to do that.
Next.
Me?
Yeah.
Should we have like a 10-second rule?
Sure.
Um.
I need to start rolling like a party. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Huh? I don't know. I na-black out ako ah. Okay, it's your turn.
I better sleep in on my answer. Like the
Yeah, there is. So baby, you should know and love yourself. Okay. Next word. I have to get this. Nakakahiya.
Next is 5. Wait, naisip ko yung sa Tagalog. 5 little ducks went out one day over the
This
hill
one.
far away.
Oh, the ducks.
Yes.
Okay, I have 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell out and bumped his or its head. Okay, your turn. I think that can work. I think
You can think of some. Okay, well, that's it.
3, 4, 5,
6,
7, 8, 9. She accepted defeat.
Okay, the next word.
Ganyan dapat yung hindi naglalaban.
Selos.
Selos?
Hindi ko alam bakit.
May ganun ba yun? May selos ba dun sa ano? May selos ba dun sa lyrics? Meron ba?
Ha? May selos ba doon? Hindi mo na selos doon. Selos na tayo. Ha? Wala selos doon. Wait. Ano lang?
Yeah,
I
can't
already
think of
accept my
anything.
defeat.
Also me. I can't think of anything.
Ako din. Let's pass this round, guys. I don't like this.
So how many points? 1, 1, 2.
Yeah.
Hey, she's in the lead! You know you should wear a
Strong. Oh my
strong. Ha! I got one. I know. If you win, you get to keep my medal.
Wait. Strong? What's strong?
Matapang.
I'm the strong one. I'm not nervous. I'm as tough as the crust of the earth.
Okay. Even if I don't know what that is. Okay.
Canto.
Really? I don't watch dance. The song on Cinderella. Trust in your heart and I don't know the lyrics. Basta yung sa we are strong.
Oh yeah, I know that. Okay, next.
I don't know the lyrics. Ngitin na lang natin to. Bakit ako tinatanong mo? That's your own,
Ano nga, saan yung lyrics ko eh?
Meanwhile,
Okay,
Four.
out na ako.
School.
School! Uy, school! Hala!
School.
Let's grab our boards. Oh! Why did I say that? Dang it!
It's my first day of school. So
Wait,
many
gano'n?
things to learn and do. I'm so excited.
May gano'n? Totoo sa Coco Melon. Wait, hindi ko. Hindi ko. Pero hindi kami informed na nanood ka ng Coco Melon. Okay. So, yung pull down. Yung pull down. Let's grab our boards and run to the near shore. School is proud.
Oh, yeah,
Let's
yeah.
go now and hurry out the door.
The next
Wait lang, nahuli na ako. Ba't ang bilis?
Four.
Pwede ba pag ako?
5. 6. 7.
Ayoko na.
Ako na. 9.
Okay. 10! Hindi ko na maalala. You're being left behind!
6. Don't be left out.
Isipin mo sa Coco Melon, meron yan.
Oo nga. May kapatid ka naman. Journey. Wait,
Oh,
wait.
I have 2.
Journey.
Journey!
Okay, I don't have one.
What?
Pass.
What a journey it has been. And the end is not in sight. Yun na naisip ko may journey.
Ba't di ko naisip yun?
It's your turn. Wala pala sa'yo eh. Just at least think.
7. 8.
Okay, she accept her. Wala yung
Okay, okay, okay.
The rest.
Good.
Good. Siguro naman meron naman na, no?
Wait.
May naisip ako dun sa
Wala akong maisip. Na-blackout. Sorry guys, nawalan ako ng kuryente.
It's my turn. I can't think of anything as well, actually. I'll try.
1.
It just looks it just looks so good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
Oh, next.
Why are you? This is
You
earphone.
can.
Ay, hala! Na-sponsor yung Vivo.
Stop. Bayan tayo.
Baka bigyan tayo ng libreng Vivo. Sing it aloud!
Hindi ko maalala yung lyrics.
Nakikinig lang naman ako, di ako nag-ano sa lyrics. Ikaw na nga hinuli para.
Paano pa kaya kukuna ako?
Kapag ako na.
Pwede may clock na lang. Go for life. Mas mabilis pa yung sa timer.
Kaya nga.
Okay.
Ayun ko na pala sa ano.
Okay.
Hala, ano
The next one. Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Okay.
Okay. Oh no! Oh no! I used to listen to a lot of Christmas songs. I forgot.
No.
Why
Go
ain't you
girl.
counting?
Fighting.
Why ain't you counting? You're supposed to
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
4.
Christmas tree. Oh,
Okay.
Christmas
Nice,
tree.
nice.
Yeah.
Yung kay ano yung sikat.
Sikat.
Wala yung sikat.
Yung ano, yung pinapanood sa tangin-tita. Oh, my mama? I can't remember. I used to listen to lots of Jose Marichan songs.
Oo, yan. 3. I see all the girls and boys and lanterns on the streets. I remember 7, 8, 9. That Christmas. Nice, nice. Okay. Beauty. Beauty and the
Dang it.
Beast.
Time stands still. Beauty and all
Okay, good.
she is.
Hey.
Hindi ko ipapakita sa yung time para di ko matouch.
Nakikita ko pa yung
May pumikit ka! Ikaw mag-adjust! Okay, stop thinking your time is up.
Thank you po. Okay, next.
Thank you for the
The
announcement.
next one is me.
Me?
Yeah.
Am I?
I am red, I am rude, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me.
I don't know what that song is. It's me. Hi. I'm the problem. It's me.
Next.
Please tell me you can think of something.
Be ang daming me. K-pop, etc. etc.
Oh, yeah. K-pop, ano na? Think of an item. Wait lang.
Yes.
Think of an item.
Yes.
It's even in their title.
What?
It's on their title.
I want to give a hint, pero
Bite
ano?
me. It's you and me in this world. Bite me. Go, go, go. Go.
Come kiss me and bite me.
Hey!